this is the part where I benefit from designing the costume to be easily disassembled, as sad as I am to see it go. There it is, all taken apart, and I got to get it into the van to move it. So I took a load of our stuff to the storage area, and right now I am in front of the share shack, as they call it. It's just a bay that has a bunch of stuff that if you don't want it, you can leave it there, and if you find something you want, you can take it. Well, I did find something that I want. How about that, hey? They are, just the floor mats. They are very used, they're a bit beat up, but I can use them for practice, use them for anything that is going to look beat up anyway, and I am very, very happy. This turned out to be a pretty good day. But since I don't have any space at home, I'm just going to put it into our storage space. It is lunchtime, so I have a little under an hour to figure out how to get this guy to work. Alright, I found a bit of code online that looks like it's supposed to be for this. It has a function down here that serializes the values you want to display, and yeah, well, I'm just going to hook it up and see if it works and then fool around with it to get it to do exactly what I need it to. Okay, that seemed easy enough. Just going to tweak the program to use the proper pins. I've already modified the program a little bit and put a delay in between each output of the LEDs, and it's done this, and it looks like with this program it's limited to doing only one digit at a time. What it had before is it was no delay, and it was just running through them so quickly that it looked like they were all together. So I'm going to have to tweak that somehow to see if it can... No, I'm going to interrupt myself right there because that's just how these devices work. For this application, you can only display one digit at a time. The reason why it looks like they're all there is because it is going so fast that just persistence of vision keeps the numbers there. So what I've done is modify the program even further and put comments in it, so I'll make it available so if you want to actually see it. And I have hooked up a new circuit that has 3 of these LED tubes on it, and I'll show you that right now. Sorry about it being sideways, but this is just the easiest way to display them. So what I have here, this is going to be the countdown timer, and these are just showing some random numbers every half second. The purpose is just to show that I can use 3 at a time. I'm going to press the reset button, and it's going to show the counter. Okay, so it is counting down, and I just have it going very quickly right now, but I can set the delay for whatever I want. So that will be the fuel timer. And but the point is I have all of them working and all different numbers and all different times. So if you want a copy of that code, I think I will put it into the description. It might be a bit messy there, but I do have a Facebook page and a group associated with that where I have the file uploaded as well, so you can get it from there. Here's the spot in my code that takes care of the delay, and it had it at 90 milliseconds. I'll put it to 990, so it's approximately 1 second. There it goes. So I put the timer to approximately 1 second, and the other ones are going every half second, but we've got a whole bunch of numbers here and it's nice and bright. I'm happy with that. Under my desk it looks like a bomb. It looks like with that code I'll be able to do actually 5 or 6 of those. I only own 3 and I only need 3, but it's good to know for the future that I can do more of them. This little thing is an 18B20 thermal sensor. And unfortunately, it is way more complicated than I thought it was. So I instead am going to order some thermistors and get an approximate temperature. And that's what is going to display as my external temperature and my internal temperature. Well, that's all for this week. I know it was a lot of talking. I'll try to actually do something in the next video, but thanks for watching anyway. If you did, well, please like and subscribe, and see you guys later.